Getting started on Chris's 64 Parklane. Time to get ready to take the motor and trans out, get them freshened up, rebuild the front suspension, all kinds of stuff. Here we go. Gonna start on taking out the motor. All right, first things first, we're draining the coolant that was remaining in the system. I noticed that there's a little bitty pinhole here on the expansion tank, so we'll be taking that over to Bob's Radiator. Have them boys go through that, fix that up. Probably take them the radiator too, just to get it gone through and cleaned up. Make it look nice, because we want this car to be looking good. It's actually pretty clean under here. So the next step, I'm gonna take off the air cleaner, set it aside, because it's in such nice shape that we're just gonna keep it. We're not gonna take it over and get it bead blasted or anything at the machine shop. Then it's gonna be time to start pulling out the carb and everything else we got going in here. Still got points. We'll put a Petronics in here, obviously. And yeah, away we go, boys and girls. All right, got the hood off, radiator's loose, ready to go. Top part of the shroud's off. Whoop, right here. Carb's ready to come off. Just got to remove the vacuum hard line. And then we'll pull the distributor cap and the wires out. Get the carb off. Undo the throttle linkage. Paul helped me get the hood off. He came by for a minute, which is cool. It's always good to see Paul. So moving forward. Pretty productive day of teardown over here on Chris's Parklane. Got the radiator out completely. Carbs off. Looking good. Got the tensioner for the AC out. Won't be long now till we pull it out. So next time we're over here, we're going to have it ready to where it can jump out the time after that. Also, we're going to be taking the expansion tank over to Bob's Radiator, because it's been leaking both at the bottom and right here. Gonna have Gary and the gang over there go through it, make it all nice. Gonna have him go through the radiator as well. Maybe make it high efficiency, because it is an AC car here in the desert.